This is Tyler Snell with Super Duper Snow Power. I got another subwoofer video. I put my two Sundown EV312s in a 2014 Scion TC. I have a Soundstream amp. It's the 8000 watt. It's a cheaper amp, but I have it turned pretty much all the way down and it pushes it pretty easy. Here's a few clips. This piece right here, that rattles, and in the sunroof, this piece here rattles real bad. So I have to have the sunroof open. But here's a few clips of it.
Hey, little mama, would you like to be my sunshine? Nigga, touch my game, we gon' turn this shit to Columbine. Cost me 10 times 3, $30,000 for a nigga to get free. When I spend like 10 G's, I just did a show and spent the check. Shorty staring at my necklace, my diamonds really fall. Pussy, bitch, feel it in my toes. I'm a real young
So that was just a quick video. I just put them in like not long ago, a few minutes ago, and hadn't turned it up to what I usually have it turned up to. So I'm just time to break in again. Just stay tuned for a few weeks, and I'll post a better one when I turn it up. If you like this video, I have plenty more. I buy and sell cars. So I've had the same system in like 5 cars. So if you want to check it out, bye.